Alright guys, me and Stu has made it to 8 Acorns Hostel. So it was super close to where we were. We were in Oxford, Alabama. We got some Waffle House and destroyed it. Hung out in town for a minute, went to a gas station, got a couple things, some beer, why not. So yeah, it's supposed to be getting really bad tonight. Chances of tornadoes. It's not gonna be as bad as it is back home, but in this area it's gonna be hit. But we're gonna be in a hostel. We'll be fine. We'll be comfy, dry. There's a washer and dryer back there that I will definitely be drying my wet stuff with. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a tour of this place because this is a really cool place. So that there is the door you will come in, and it just brings you in kind of like a living room area. Big old table in the middle. Got a TV that is hooked up to Starlink. So we got Starlink internet. Here we have the kitchen area. We got a refrigerator, and they have stuff in their freezer and their fridge you can buy. Over here, just kind of like a little free game snack box. Of course, you got a stove, a sink, the whole setup, coffee maker. They have tons of charging blocks. There's some right there on that strip. One over there. Some more right there. I think there's a couple in the bedroom. Then you'll get back here to the bunk rooms. You got 2 in the bed, and then 1, 2, 3, and then maybe someone can sleep in the chair. And of course, someone can sleep on the couch too. So yep, you got washer and dryer, toilet, shower, sink. So yeah, this would have been the 3rd hostel I stayed at. The first one was the Green Hippies. The second one was the POC when we did the Alabama Triple Crown. And now we're running away from the storm and at the 8 Acorns. So again, thank y'all so much for shuttling us this morning and having us stay here. I'm sure we'll be super comfortable here. Moon pies.
Poon pies.
Yeah, that's what we call them, poon pies. So we're going to kind of relax, bring our packs in here and just kind of reassess, hang out. We have it to ourselves tonight, so it should be quiet besides the thunder. And this right here is the outside area. They're doing some construction back there for some cabins, so they're definitely going to have some stuff out here. So I believe they started doing this in March of this year, of 2024. Now they're planning on doing cabins and whatnot. So yeah, it looks like they're going to be doing some growing here. I'm super excited to see what it looks like by then. But yeah, we're going to get all of our stuff inside. I'm going to try to dry off my tent, my shoes, and pretty much everything else that's wet. My clothes stayed pretty dry, or got pretty dry throughout the day. I got my slides on because my shoes were wet. So that's going to be one of the first things I get dried up. But anyway, we're going to get settled, and we will see y'all later on. Alright, fellas, we are pretty much comfortable right now. We're pretty much just going over our food and gear and stuff because we have 2 days and 1 more night to hike since we'll be staying at the hostel tonight. So my food pack is going to be significantly less heavier because that's all my food. Like, all of this. Oh yeah, that's not including the food in my actual food bag right now. But yeah, we're just kind of reassessing what we're going to do tomorrow. Reassessing food and whatnot. Weather should be cleared out tomorrow, so we ain't worry about the weather no more. But one thing I did want to update y'all on is my ankle. Don't mind my feet. So this is my ankle, normal, it's fine. But I twisted it twice yesterday, and I don't know if you can really tell on camera. Oh yeah, you can tell on camera, look at that. It's swollen as shit. Really not bad. I can still walk on it. I can put a lot of pressure on it and it's fine. It's a little tender. It's just a very, very, very mild sprain. It ain't bad at all. I'll be fine for another 20 miles or whatever, 18. But hopefully with some ibuprofen, some ice, and some rest, it'll kind of go down a little bit. I mean, I can hike on it. I was ready to hike today and the next 2 days with it, so. Alright, it is done. You got some meatballs, macaroni, and some wieners. Squid, wish you were here. We had plenty here for you. Alrighty. Well, it is 10 o'clock and we are about to go to bed. We got our packs packed up. I'm still letting my outer part of my tent dry. But storm's about to roll in here in the next hour or two. Should be a quick, should just pass on through, but once it does, it's done. Not sure what it exactly it's going to be doing around here, but I'm going to try to keep an eye on it until I go to bed. But I think we'll be safe. Really smart move for getting out of the woods. Yeah, it's been a really cool day, just hanging out and whatnot. So our plan for tomorrow is we're going to wake up whatever time we do, and we're going to drive up to Nubbin Creek Trailhead. We're going to take Nubbin Creek north, and then we're going to get off to the Cave Creek Trail. We're going to go back up onto the Pinhoti. After that, we're going to go to McDill and camp there for the night. So it should be a spectacular campsite tonight. It should be a great night. It should be no rain. I don't even think wind's in the forecast, so that's awesome. So yeah, it's starting to rain out here. So I'm going to finish hanging out here and go to bed. We'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. Well, sorta. It's still pretty cloudy from that storm. Seeing the sun peek through. I'm seeing some blue sky, so it should get clearer as the day goes along. So we are here at Nubbin Creek Trailhead. Man, we drove up here. I couldn't see the trail right away, but I see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera down there. But we were told it's been maintained recently, so that is very awesome, very convenient. Last night got pretty bad. From what I've heard, I slept through the storm. Me and Stu did. Yeah, apparently it was just really high winds around this area. Definitely not as bad as it was back home. It was pretty bad from what I've heard. So yeah, staying in that shelter was a good call for sure. I mean, it was awesome staying in there. I loved it. Yeah, we're just kind of gathering. I'm kind of surveying the area. I was trying to find the trail and I found it, and I'm super excited. So yeah, we're looking for 7 miles today. I know 3 miles of it is Cave Creek. I think 4 miles of it is Nubbin Creek. And then we're going to hop on the Pinhoti for about 1.5 miles to McDill. All right, we're going to go ahead and get ready, and we'll see y'all on the trail.